Ibnu Fajar Febrian. My number name is 642401155. And in this video, I will choose topic showing opinion about the result Indonesia versus Bahrain. Indonesia finally made history by entering the third round qualifiers 2026 World Cup. Indonesia first match against Arab made people hopes because of the unexpected result 1-1 draw at the King Abdullah Sports City, Jeddah. And also in the second match against Australia, Indonesia managed hold 0-0 draw at the Gelora Bung Karno Stadium. Both countries are among the big teams to qualify to the World Cup. It was the result of the two matches that made euphoria Indonesia people even greater at the third match against Bahrain. On 10 October 2024, Bahrain match against Indonesia will take place at Stadion Nasional Bahrain Rifa. The match ended in a draw 2-2, and Indonesia failed to win with a lot of controversy occurring, starting from the Bahrain players pretending to fall to provoke the emotion Indonesia players, and what is the very viral now is the referee decision in extra time. Initially, the referee gave 6 minutes of extra time. At that time, the Garuda national teams was already leading 2-1, but the referee Ahmed Alkaf still had not blown the final whistle, even though 6 minutes has passed, until Bahrain was able to equalize in the 99 minutes and the match has ended. My opinion about the result, the Indonesia versus Bahrain match reflects the growing competitiveness of Indonesia in international football. This could indicate significant progress in their development as a football nation. On the contrary, matches like this are very important for both teams to assess their strengths and area improvement. Some of the loss experienced by Indonesia in this match are a lesson for all of us. Many media have challenged this by making statements that Bahrain is indeed a country that often cheats by making all kinds of dirty methods against profits. And hopefully this can be resolved quickly, so that all matches are held in a clean manner. Not only in this case, but the whole world highlight this match as a lesson for football fans all over the world. That's all about my opinion. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Ibnu Fajar Febrian. My number name is 642401155. And in this video, I will make a presentation using topic the question word. Understanding basic English question words. What are question words? Question words are words used to ask for specific information, used to form clear question in conversation or writing. Learning question words in English is very important and provides many benefits, including the first one is improve communication skills. Mastering question words allows you to create clear and precise questions. This improves your ability to interact with other people. And the second is improve reading comprehension. When reading text in English, understanding question words helps you identify important information and understand the context better. This is a list of common question words. Who meaning siapa, what meaning apa, when meaning kapan, where meaning di mana, why meaning kenapa, which meaning yang, how meaning bagaimana. The first one is who. Who is used to ask about people. Who is used when you want to know the people involved is in an event or situation. The example is, who is your favorite teacher? This is conversation using who. There is a Brian and Fajar. Who are you going to the concert with? I'm going with Budi. Who did you invite? I asked Mark, but he can't make it. Who else do you think should come? Maybe you could ask Lisa. She loves that band. Who do you think would have the best time? Definitely Lisa. Who knows? We might even make it a group outing. Next is what. What is used to ask for general information or object? What is usually used to ask for information without special restriction? The example is, what is your favorite food? This is conversation using what? There's Theo and Enzo. What is your hobby? My hobby is playing football. And what is your hobby? Oh, football, that's great. My hobby is playing music. Oh, music, I love it. Thank you. Next is when. When is used to ask for the time. When helps determine when an event or activity occurs. The example is, when is your birthday? This is conversation using when. There's Omar and Akbar. It's been so long. When was the last time we saw each other? Feels like forever. I think it was at Tyler's party last year. When are you free to catch up properly? I'm free this weekend. Let's make it happen. Next is where. Where is used to ask for a place or location. Where answer the question of the location or place of an activity or person. The example is, where do you live? This is conversation using where. There's Alex and Baston. I hear you went on vacation recently. Where did you go? I went to Greece. It was amazing. Where's the last place you traveled to? Oh, that sounds beautiful. I went to Japan last year. Such an incredible experience. Next is why. Why is used to ask for reason or cause. Why function to find out the reason or cause of an event. The example is, why did you come late? This is conversation using why. There is Adam and Marina. Why do you think that movie was so good? The storyline was just so unique and the acting was amazing. Why did you like it? Actually, I did. I just want to know what stood out for you. And next is which. Which is used to ask for a choice from several options. Which is used to for question whose answer involves choosing. The example is, which color do you prefer, red or blue? This is conversation using which and Brian and Megan. Which restaurant should we try tonight? I'm torn between the new sushi place and that Italian spot. Which one are you in the mood for? Honestly, both sounds amazing. Let's go with Italian tonight. And the last one is how. How is used to ask for methods, condition, or frequency. How, finding out how or method something is done or happens. The example is, how do you make this cake? This is conversation using how. David and Jake. How should we get the concert on Saturday? Maybe we could take the train. How long does it usually to from here? About 20 minutes. How early do you want to head over? Let's get there at least an hour early to grab good seats. And this is a conclusion. In summary, we explored the significant question words in changing our understanding and communication, and can understand the basic vocabulary for interrogative sentence. Thank you. That's all I can say from my topic material. See you at another time.